Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to zoom in on Facebook Live, and now let's dive right in. Now to zoom in on Facebook Live, first we'll be required to go live. Now to do that, let's open up our Facebook, and after that make sure to be logged into the account on which you want to go to Facebook Live. And from over here, tap on what's on your mind bar at the top of the screen, and over here you can see you can go a live video just below the check-in. Tap on that live video. Now, so guys, in order, you need to know a thing before going live, that is you can zoom in on Facebook Live by just the way you zoom on your gallery by placing two fingers and maximizing like this. So let's try it and let's go live. So, and you can see guys, we're able to zoom like this, and let's finish this. And you can see guys, let's delete this. Okay. And with that being done guys, you now know how to zoom in on Facebook Live. If you just tap by your two fingers and start to maximize that and minimize that, you will be able to zoom in and out on Facebook Live. And with that being said guys, this is how you zoom in on Facebook Live. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.